Slow days can be very interesting, and it can lead you to question yourself and your abilities to be creative and find people to buy your service. And I just want to say it's not that. That's not the problem. Sometimes you just need rest days. You need slow days because slow days equal rest day. And I'm not saying rest day is a day where you just lay there, don't do anything, stare at the ceiling, and just waste time. Reflect. Give yourself time to go journal, go read, go walk your dog. Do something in your life that makes you feel connected with yourself and your ideas. Because I will say this, the more you just keep going and running and running and running, you'll be forced to take a slow day or a rest day because your body will shut you down, your brain will shut you down, and you will have burnout if you're just constantly running and working. So I would say be grateful for slow days. Slow days are not always bad. Now, granted, you don't want to have a lot of slow days. That's one of the things you don't want. If you have a lot of slow days, I recommend that you just go find a new package. You can also spend time to expand your network and find people that's not having slow days or a new idea to kind of find something you can pivot on so you can reshape yourself in the market where people want to buy your services. But if you're having a slow day for a small period of time and you realize that, it's coming to an end or things picking back up, just know that those days were moments where you needed it. You needed to go sit back and read and reshape your brain, have personal development days, or even go get a haircut, go to the gym. Those are some of the things that, I would say go ahead and do first. And then after that, this is where you start tending to your business a little bit more. You reshape yourself, you start walking, getting in shape. But you can't leave your business hanging. I know it's a slow day, but you just can't leave your business hanging. You got to tend to it. So organize your hard drives, come up with new content ideas. Think of some tutorial videos you can come up with. Think of some ideas that you could share that you came across or some insight that you came across when dealing with clients or whatever you're doing in business. That way you can share to people your point of view, and maybe someone may see it valuable, and now you gain a new audience where you can start stretching and reaching new people. You can also just use this moment to reach out to past clients and future clients to where you can start selling your services and packages to them as well, because like I said, you don't want to just sit there and always going for a walk and reading and things like that. Those things are very important, but you still have to do things to help your business grow. And this is where you want to do things like, reach out to people you already knew, or people in the future that you've seen, or places that you drove by, or billboards that you saw as you was in the car. Reach out to those people. You might not get a yes all the time, but at least you're practicing. You want to keep this thing fresh, because the moment you sit back and just let slow days take over you, and you're not always sharpening your strengths and just getting better and learning new skills or buying new courses or buying new education, time is going to go by like it already is during the slow day. But not only will it go by, you will decrease in the ability to move at your highest self in that skill, or even yourself, period, because you're not sharpening yourself. And you want to stay on top of everything when you're having slow days. It's only going to be you, time, and your business. And you got to tend to it, nurture it. Make sure that it's taken care of, making sure that you know the next thing that you want to do. Because I will say this, some services will need to be enhanced and some services may not be as needed as much at certain periods of time. And you got to have that backup plan. Like, okay, if you don't need this, I can give this, I can provide this. Now, I'm not saying do multiple businesses. I would say do the same business, but do multiple realms in that same business. And they call that verticals, where let's say if you're doing videography like myself, sell a podcast package, sell a event package, sell a sports package, sell a behind the scenes package, sell different things where people will feel more engaged or find more valuable at their current moment of time. Overall, use these days to recharge and sharpen your strengths. Slow days are not bad, they're preparation days. And if you like videos like this, go ahead and comment, subscribe, share to a friend that's having slow days and don't really know what to do, or watch it yourself for your own personal self. And I want to thank you guys in advance. I hope you find this video valuable. Peace out.